Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make your Twitter or X account private. To begin, open the Twitter app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open a side menu. In this menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on the option called Privacy and Safety. This is where you can control how your account is viewed and interacted with. Inside this section, tap on the first option, which is labeled Audience and Tagging. At the very top, you will see an option called Protect Your Posts. Underneath it, you'll notice a description that says, Only show your posts to people who follow you. To make your account private, enable this option by tapping the toggle switch. Once it's turned on, only your followers will be able to see your tweets, media, and profile content. If someone who doesn't follow you tries to view your account, they will need to send a follow request, which you can approve or deny. This gives you full control over who can access your content. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of making your Twitter or X account private. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.